chandelier. Well, my version of chandelier. Can you see the cables? Yeah, you kind of can. Just kind of try and squint. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make it rise and crash. So yeah, I'm gonna take you through here. I've got two cables here. They're really just strings. I'm gonna get you up close. I'm gonna get you up close and boom. See? Better. Okay. And so this is cable 1. This is cable 2. So let's say this is like, here is the stage. Like this is where the stage ends. Okay. So this is right there. So like, oh, it rises. Now it's here. This pulls it out over the audience. Yeah, and then it crashes, etc. etc. But we need an easier way to do that without having to worry about crushing the audience, which I'm pretty sure I just did. Yeah. And yes, I do have something on my lip. It's not spaghetti sauce. So it rises. Now, there's an easier way to do this. Now, the strings are measured certainly so that, look, they're together. See that? See, they're together, more or less. Anyway, it's up there now, so now I'm going to give you a view of the chandelier crashing. So this is like what it would look like if you were like directly underneath it. Or you're just watching the stage audience. Hold on, I just fixed the chandelier. So, cable 1 is here. I show you. Cable 1. Follows here. Then this is basically a control center. Basically. Let me just fix this. Okay. Now you're gonna be acting like a stage audience person. So just say, oh, you're watching. This is the rising of the chandelier. Now it's gonna crash. Now you probably didn't see that. So here we go again. This is the best angle I can get. It's rising. See, right? Now it's gonna crash. I need a better angle. How about this? Is this a better angle? Probably not. It's gonna fall off. Okay. It's the best angle I can get. It is from a different angle. I'm gonna do it a little different. Oh my god, the cables are in the wrong place. Now it's all the way up there. I'm peekaboo. 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 Yeah. It's gonna crash. If number 2 did not kick in, then it would just fall on top of the audience. Now, I'm not going to do... Now, if you want to see something similar like this, where you can explain it a little better, then type in capital P-O-T-O chandelier. You should find it. Yeah, it's Phantom of the Opera. You should know this. Well, I'm going to get another video soon. So, yeah. Sorry I haven't been posting videos for a long time. I never have the time. I'm a horrible YouTuber. But, yeah. So, bye guys. And toodaloo.